Welcome to part 3 of the programming series for Crestron Fusion. This is the third video in a series of 4, designed to provide programmers the tools needed to integrate various hardware components into Crestron Fusion. Part 3 will cover the configuration of scheduling panels and how to pull them into an on-premise Crestron Fusion server, as well as pushing a scheduling panel to a cloud-based Crestron Fusion server. The Crestron Fusion team has provided a document that provides step-by-step directions to configure the scheduling panel. The document can be found in the same document repository as it's shown in the first video in the series. In the search box for the documents, enter scheduling. It is currently the operations guide for Crestron room scheduling panels. There are 3 items I'd like to mention regarding the web interface for the scheduling panels. First, note that there are Status and Settings tabs. No changes can be made to the panel from the Status tab. They are for viewing status only. Second, the TSW panels are shipped in the User Project mode. To switch to Crestron Fusion Scheduling mode, or Crestron Default mode, navigate to the Settings tab and scroll down to the Applications dropdown and select Crestron Default. This will require a device reboot. Lastly, I'd like to point out a new feature, work hours. The panel can be scheduled to sleep during non-work hours, saving energy and lengthening the equipment lifespan. Now we will show you how to pull a scheduling panel into an on-premise Crestron Fusion server. We are assuming that the scheduling panel will be associated with the room that we imported in an earlier video. To make changes, we need to be on the setup page. Open the node with the room and double-click on the room. In the new window, select the Assets tab and choose Add. First, a name must be specified. Then, select the type of the device. In this case, it's a touch panel. The connection direction is outbound. The on-premise servers reach out to the device to acquire them. Click the gray box with the 3 dots to select the model of the panel. The connection type is Ethernet. Then enter the IP address or host name of the panel. Save and close again. The panel should go online within a few minutes. This can be verified by looking at the panel or navigating to the Room View Monitoring page and selecting the Assets tab. Acquiring a scheduling panel or another device like a processor into a cloud-based Crestron Fusion server is very different. This can be done either in Text Console within Crestron Toolbox or on the web page for the device. Via the web interface, navigate to the setup page of the device. Within the System Setup dropdown, at the bottom, is the section for Crestron Fusion Cloud. Press the button to enable, then enter the Crestron Fusion Cloud URL.fsg provided to you. Save changes and then reboot as directed. Alternatively, Crestron Fusion Cloud can be enabled via Text Console connection. I'm using Text Console within Crestron Toolbox. First, type Cloud Enable. The device will respond with either on or off. The command to turn it on is Cloud Enable On. The provided URL for the cloud server must be entered manually with the command Cloud URL. This has been part 3 for the programming series for Crestron Fusion. Thank you.